I'm José. This is my dog Carrie, and we dance together. Carrie is the best dancing dog on the world. She is the perfect partner. She's full of life.
This is Carrie?
Yeah.
Hey, you see something you like in there, Carrie?
When the Georges see Carrie, they will fall in love.
Go get him.
Hello, guys. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Hello.
What's your name, please?
I'm José Fuentes,
And how old are you?
58 years old.
Oh, wow.
All right.
I'm very young, no?
What is your dog's name?
Her name is Carrie.
Carrie. And what are you doing for us today?
Today, we are going to do dance.
How do you teach a dog to dance?
What got you into dancing with Carrie?
I danced as a boy. My ex-wife did not dance with me.
So you dance with Carrie?
But Carrie is the best partner dancer.
So you divorced your wife who wouldn't dance with you,
Yes.
and then bought a dog so that the dog...
Now I get it. That's why
dance with-
Carrie is wearing a dress.
Got it. Okay, this is going to be a really weird season. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's a full-on dress.
Oh, that's cute.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora.
Carrie's good.
Time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time. Sinora, she's a sensation, the reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body and heist those skirts a little higher. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line.
Carrie's a better dancer than Jose.
Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora.
José, so did you have to teach Carrie, or did she just start dancing on her own one day?
I learned to dance together, learn together dancing.
No, but that's why I'm asking. So one day you just... I'm laughing, but it's great. So one day you just discovered that you could... No, what I'm trying to say is that you found out one day that if you put on certain song, you started dancing together, yes?
Yes.
Which is, by the way, incredible. I mean, I would love my dogs to do the same thing.
Why would your wife not do that?
I wasn't expecting that.
What were you
You
expecting?
know, well, he choreographed a routine and Carrie the dog followed and jumped it back and forward and round, and so I actually really liked it.
I thought it was very entertaining and a lot of fun for the first 15 seconds, and then I found myself,
Oh, come
well,
on.
I'm telling you the truth, that's what happened to
Come
me.
on.
Okay, we're going to vote.
Sock it to me.
I'm going to say yes.
Heidi?
I'm sorry, I'm going to give you a no.
What?
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Mel?
I loved it. I enjoyed it. I'm going to say yes.
Now we...
It takes 3 yeses to go on.
Come on, look how cute.
You know? Yes! Welcome back to America.
Welcome back.
Good job, Carrie.
I actually think the dog liked dancing.
One day they're just sitting around the house. He looked at her, she looked at him, and it was like, let's dance.
Well, the wife's gone.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Carrie.